At 1:38 a.m., a doorbell camera in Arizona activated. No one was there. The alert kept triggering, motion detected, over and over. Footage shows the front porch empty. Then the camera zoom glitches. A figure appears for one frame, too tall, standing too close. The homeowner checked live view. The camera was now pointing inside the house. Police reviewed the footage. They found no hack, no tampering, no explanation. The camera manufacturer replaced the device. The old clip was marked corrupted. But motion alerts still trigger, every night at 1:38 a.m.